tamhaidin seo le craobh fiche héin a cheoladh. Tá sé iontach agus tá sé andeas is dói anna níos fearachar ní ecin muid achar barciad, bíonn siad go nóthachar nóína tar si a gimmert, ní bhíon an deiseach op stoppach an leirtlin, ach tá si a baint antanamhas, lábra saoirí tá ein agus iad súl go mór leis a géad clifa.
The fact that we're back playing in front of the crowd is just so exciting. I think last year was a pretty surreal year, and just for your friends and families and supporters to come out and cheer you on, it's something to really look forward to, and just that atmosphere that they bring and the excitement. I think, yeah, we're all really looking forward to it.
You just can't beat that, championship feeling. So we're training hard now, and so really looking forward to getting into it now and champing now for it to start.
It's fantastic, like going into the championship, and the short turnaround is very, very welcome as well. Going in from league into championship, it's much shorter than previous years, so that's great as well.
It's brilliant having fans back, your family, friends there to hear the cheer, the buzz. But, they've been given the chance to watch it through different social media platforms and TG4, which is also fantastic too, that anybody can watch. And it's brilliant, but now that fans are back, it's even better.
Tá grúpa dechar go in Leenane, tá an galamh agus dúna gaol. Ach cá túna fearn sin a bhuacan má tá craobh testáilút, so tá muid tú go mór leis.
It's a strange season, obviously, last year. We were delighted to be able to play. You'd miss having the fans there, and in particular, it was really noticeable in the All-Ireland final in Croke Park in December. It was a unique experience, we still enjoyed it, but you would miss the buzz before and after the game. So we're really looking forward to having spectators there in the summertime.
If your family and friends are there and, the crowd is there and noisy, and it just does make all the difference, like it does. So I'm really happy that, crowds are allowed back in.
Feeling really lucky and grateful that we're getting the opportunity to play, and in the current times it's brilliant. Like, there's no feeling like championship, so everyone's excited and everyone just can't wait to get going, really.
Tá Craobhchomórtais TG4 Leenane le tosú ar an 9 lá go bhí úl, bígí linn.